Hello everybody, it's Southern Bells here. I'm Wanda.
And I'm Rebecca.
And we are here with some exciting news for us anyway.
That's right. You want to give us a drum roll? We have reached 100 subscribers!
Actually a little over 100.
A little over 100, yes. And we want to thank you guys so much. This is really exciting and you guys are a big part of it. You guys are what made it happen.
I thought it was really cool because I didn't know YouTube would do this, but they sent a little celebration email to us. So.
Yes, with virtual confetti and everything.
I know, it was pretty cool.
It was really awesome.
We are here today with a Fashom unboxing, and I think I've told you about this, but there are 5 YouTubers who I really watch pretty much everything they put out, that are going to meet up in Nashville for a YouTube meetup, and Fashom is sponsoring it, and I was really disappointed that I wasn't able to go, or that we weren't able to go.
That would be so fun.
But I just started back teaching school, so it wasn't a good time for it, but I know they're going to have a great time, and it would be so much fun. I hope they do it again next year. Maybe we can go.
Maybe next time.
But anyway, so I'm trying to think if I requested anything special from Fashom, and I don't think I did. I can't remember anything. Anyway, so
find out.
Yeah. So I know it's getting close to fall, and whatever that means here in the South.
Yes, it still means 80-degree weather.
Exactly. So excited to see what we have. If you don't know about Fashom, this is what it looks like when you open it, and they are a clothing styling service, and when you go in and request a box, because it's not a monthly subscription, it's you go in to request the box, so you can get it as often as you want it, and they send a preview out of 7 to 8 items, and then you get to choose 5 items from that. So this is my 5 items.
Let's get started.
Okay. Return mailer. You don't have to pay the postage. They do that for you. And some paper on the left.
Sure. So this is the lovely bundle of joy that we have here today.
And they have a little Fashom.
A bundle of joy that doesn't cry or dirty at Cypress.
Thank goodness. I'm past that phase. Okay. And I believe it's all tops.
Ooh, I see some pretty patterns in here.
Oh, that's a pretty color.
That is pretty.
Yeah, okay, so this is a soft tank.
That would be cool too, I bet.
And I actually think I saw Robin from Robin's Closet wearing this in one of her videos the other day, or it looked very similar to this anyway. So this is good. You know, you could put a cardigan over this to make it go on into fall. Maybe it's not a fall color so much, but I think it's my color, or it's a color I like anyway. We'll see.
I like it.
You like that? Okay. Okay. Oh, what do you think about this one?
I like that one too. I like the print on this one.
I like the way the material feels.
This one's perfect for fall. This is fall colors.
And I don't usually wear the, what would you call it, burnt orange maybe, but it's got navy and blue in there too, so I think it would, I don't think it would be too much. I like the style of it. I like that neckline. Yeah.
That's nice.
Pretty. Was it elastic sleeve? Yeah.
I think so.
Okay.
Cute.
Now this next one is one that just really intrigued me. I have no idea what it's going to look like on, but it was very unusual. Oh, and feel it. It's so soft.
Oh, this is, I think I'm going to like this one.
Definitely for later fall, I think.
Yes.
So which way is the back? I was thinking that was the front and this was the back, but I'm not so sure.
Maybe, I think you're right. The way it hangs, this looks like the front.
Okay. So looks like it has the dolman sleeve.
Oh, that is cute.
And I'm usually not a big fan of the ties like this, but for some reason I think it works on this particular one.
It does. That is so cute.
So soft. That would be good for football games, because as you know, we're gearing up for football season.
Very sweet. I like that
I
one.
hope it's not too low, but you could probably put something under it.
Oh yeah, I might have to steal that one from you.
How many is that? 3?
Yes, 3.
Okay.
Ooh, I like this too. This is a good box.
Oh, what can I say?
We like it even when it's upside down. You know you've done well when that's the case.
That's cute.
This one's for good quality. I can feel the heaviness of the material.
Oh, now I can wear this to a Clemson game.
Oh yeah. It's got the orange in there.
it's orange and navy, but
This is dark purple, so it would still work.
And then in the back, it's kind of the solid down here. Oh, and it's got a tie detail in the front, covered buttons. That's really nice.
This is a very nice top.
It's Gilli, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I like Gilli stuff. I've only seen dresses pretty much, but I like that.
So nice.
And then the last one.
Ooh, is that? Oh, I thought it was butterflies, but it's not.
We're directionally challenged tonight.
You are struggling. It's been a long day, as always.
Ooh, pretty sleeves. Oh, double flutters. Is that what? That's what I want to call them.
It works. They fly.
Look at that. Is pretty too.
Those are pretty.
And it's the color I really like, but it's different than what I usually, even though it's kind of a navy-ish, dark bluish, it's still a different pattern than what I had, because I have a lot of navy.
I'm excited for you to try these on. There's some really good ones here.
Fashom, you did a great job, and actually, I usually have malls. I can't find my card, but usually I have malls, but this time I had Morgan. Malls always does an outstanding job for me, so I'm not sure. She may have been really busy, but I have seen Morgan style other people, other YouTubers, and she's really good too, so I'm good either way. Malls or Morgan, I'm happy. But I am going to try these on, and I will be back to see what you guys think.
Alright, let's hop to it.
Okay. Okay, so here is the first top, and it is so soft, and I really like the color. I like this cross detail. I like the sleeveless because, like I said, down here, and that's why my hair is up tonight. It has been so incredibly hot here today. This is just a very nice, lightweight shirt. It may show a little bit, like the buttons of the shorts that I have them with, but I do like it. And Rebecca, what is this one?
This is the Panamex Sleeveless Floral Top, and it is $42. It's actually the most expensive item in your box.
I was a little shocked by the price. I was expecting around $34, $35, something like that. But it is very comfortable. I was telling Rebecca I was hoping, my budget was hoping that I wouldn't like anything in this box. But we're already starting out with what I think is a nice winter type shirt.
Starting out on the high note.
Yeah. So, okay, I'll be back with the next top.
Alright, here we go.
Alright, and here's the next top. And when I saw this on the preview, I wasn't so sure about it. It was probably my least favorite on the preview, but I really do like it. It's a polyester type material. It may be a little short. I guess I've gotten so used to those high, low type hems and everything. I don't know, it may be a little short looking on me, I don't know, but I do think it's pretty. I like the color, and the little sleeves are just really cute.
This is a perfect, professional outfit for this time of year.
Yeah, maybe not with these pants so much, but if, you put on navy pants even,
right,
or I just wore my cropped black pants, but even longer white pants. And what is this one?
This is the Renee C short sleeve paisley print top, and it is $41.
And just trying to see how it would transition into fall, I just thought about putting a denim jacket with it, and I like that look. I think the denim jacket looks pretty with the print. You could also wear a cardigan with it to dress it up, and even a blazer, so you've got a lot of options there. But yeah. How much did you say this was?
$41.
Okay. All right. So, I will be back.
Pumpkin approved.
Yeah, you like it, pumpkin? I'll be back with the next top.
Mm-hmm.
And here's the next top, and so far Morgan's doing a really good job. Too good, Morgan. I don't know what my bank account's gonna say. It's probably gonna cry. Yeah, a lot of people don't like this little tie front thing, but I do like that, like the technical term thing. But I like it, and a lot of times too, it depends on where it hits as well. In fact, I think I like the tie better than like a knot or something. But I do, and this one is kind of neat because it's solid in the back. Gives it a little something. It does have tab sleeves, but they're permanent. They're not like ones that you can unbutton and roll down or anything. And it does have the covered buttons, so I thought that was a really nice touch. I don't know if it's too low. I'm not sure if it's gapping right here. Not really. So what is this one?
This is the Gilli Detailed Sleeve button down tie top. It's a tongue twister, and it is $39.
$39. Okay, so this is cheaper than the other two, right?
Mm-hmm. It's almost the cheapest one. It's pretty. I like that one a lot.
I'm having a hard time. So far, everything has been a winner.
Everything's working.
Okay, but I'm going to need you to help me. I say it in many of my videos, but would you please tell me the one piece that you like better on me than any of the others? Because I'm not sure that I can get more than one piece this time.
But they all are looking really good.
It's hard to decide. So I would really appreciate it if you said in the comments which one you like the best. Alright, so for the next one.
Let's get on.
Okay, so I'm back with another shirt, another top, but unfortunately I know this isn't going to be a 5 for 5 because when I went to put it on, there was a, where did it go? There was a hole.
A pretty large hole, too.
Yeah, a pretty large hole. In fact, it looks like the material was, I don't think that seam ever caught the way it looks. So, but you know, that's not usual with Fashom, and
it makes your decision easier.
Yeah. And I'm not going to hold it against them because you know those things, they happen. You know, so that's not a big deal. And yeah, my budget might say thank you, but I will be sending this one back. And other than that, I think it's kind of short anyway. I like the way it looks up here. But I just feel like it needs to be a little bit longer on me. But it is a very pretty top. What is this one?
This is the Griffin Paris 3/4 sleeve woven top, and it's $42.
So yeah, I won't be keeping this one. But I do like it.
Me too.
Okay, last top coming up. And here's my last top, and I was going to pair it with some burgundy skinny jeans that I have and burgundy booties, but it is simply too hot in South Carolina today to do that. So
I think that's really cute.
It's so different. When I saw this on the preview, I was very intrigued by it, just the shape, the line of it and everything. I want your honest opinion about what you think about it though. And I'm wondering if the fashions for the fall and winter are going to have shorter hemlines. You know, we're kind of used to the high-low and everything, but the last few tops that I've tried on, or several tops that I've tried on in this particular box, have had the shorter, straight hemline. So, you know, what do you think about that? Is that a flattering look? And this was also quite low when I put it on, so I did have to put it on with a tank, and I only had navy and white, so I would have to probably get a grayish color tank.
That's the perfect fall piece, so I can see you going to the apple orchard in that, and pumpkin patch.
For for Halloween.
I like it.
Yeah, well, it's that dolman sleeve, and I don't know if you push it up or if you leave it. I kind of like it down here better because then I won't have to fiddle with it all the time.
Yeah.
And this is what it looks like in the back, and like I said, it's so incredibly soft. What is this one?
This is the Natural Life Intermingle Brushed Hacci top. I think that's how you pronounce it. And it's $38, so this is actually the cheapest thing in your whole fit.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. It's very, very different. I don't have anything like it. Nothing anywhere near like it. But you tell me what your thoughts are on this particular one. Again, I think this was a great fix. I'm sorry, I think this was a great box, I should say. Not sure exactly what I'm going to do. Like I know it's not going to be a 5 for 5. But with Fashom, that's kind of okay because actually if you find three or 4 pieces that you like, you get a 25% discount. Now, if you find all 5 and keep all 5, then that's going to be a 30% discount, which is really a good deal, especially since the prices are kind of lower, I guess, or cheaper anyway. What was the grand total of this box before any discount?
Before the discount, the total of this box is $202 even.
Okay, and then if you keep all 5?
If you keep all 5, you get a 30% discount, which takes off $60.60, bringing your total to $141.40.
Minus your $10 styling fee.
Cool.
I think it's $10. $10 styling fees. Either $10 or $15. So yeah, that would bring it down even more. But like I said, I know, you know, it's not going to be 5. And depending on your comments, I'll know kind of what I need to keep. But I would like your favorite piece of all from this particular box. Now, another thing about Fashom is that for every box that is ordered, they donate $1 to Second Chance Rescue NYC Dogs. So it's the box that gives back, and I really like that about them as well.
That's because we have a rescue dog. Lucky is our German Shepherd, and she's a rescue dog.
And we love her so much. Yeah. And if you would like to order a box, your first box, I think it said if you order after April, which it is, of 2019, then you get your first box styled free. And like I said, you get a preview of 7 or 8 items that you choose 5 from, your favorite ones from. And you try those out. So I will link my link down below that will allow you to do that. And I think you also get $10 off of a purchase if you order from a link, somebody's link. If you don't order from my link, you can order from anybody's link. But give Fashom a try. I've been with Fashom now for probably 6, 7, maybe even 8 months, and the boxes have just gotten better and better and better. And as I said, Morgan was the stylist on this one. It's the first time I've had her, but I think she hit right on the money with what I like and everything, and the colors especially. I felt like she did the colors that I needed for my particular coloring.
And then the pastel for the summer top was really pretty.
Yeah, yeah, and there's a variety here, but yet there are pieces that you can't. Now obviously I would not be wearing this one right now, but most of the other tops you could start wearing now and go into fall with them very easily. So I'm very happy with this particular box.
Me too.
But please give it a try. I mean, first box free, styling fee free. You really don't have anything to lose. You can try it. If you don't like anything, you just send all 5 items back in that prepaid mailer, pop it in your mailbox, take it to the post office. You're done. You haven't lost anything. So, and I'll also list down the items that I got in case there was anything that you saw that you really did like. And until next time, oh, I forgot. We have 106 subscribers, but we would love to have even more. So if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button, click the bell, and you'll be notified of any other fixes or boxes or anything else that we're going to do. In fact, I've got a Natalie Attired box coming. It's going to be the first time I've tried that. So give us a thumbs up. And until next time, we just hope you have a great day.
Toodaloo.
Bye-bye.